This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm headed to the border of the Lakeview and Buena Park neighborhoods, just west of Lincoln Park, for a walk through one of the renovated apartments at Irving Courts by Reside. I'm in the foyer of Unit 748G, a garden level one bedroom. There's a deep closet off to the left as you enter the unit with both hanging and shelving. And then you have a living dining area that has two nooks. Give you a lot of flexibility in how you lay out your dining table and your furniture. Heading toward the kitchen, the bath is off to the right. Has a pedestal sink, glass block to let in natural light, wall-mounted medicine cabinet, kitchen is tiled, there's a pantry cabinet, granite counters, a 4-burner gas range, a built-in microwave, dishwasher, stainless steel refrigerator, and you're looking at security bars on all the windows. There's plank flooring throughout the living areas, and the bedroom is carpeted. Space for a queen-size bed and nightstands. This is a very appealing walk to the lakefront, walk to the 18-mile lakefront trail, walk to Wrigley Stadium location, and it has Reside Living for management. You want to put it on your must-see list. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.